Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Only Way presentation and immediately save a working copy so you never alter the master. You check slide size, set to 16:9, and confirm fonts are installed so text flows correctly. Once done, gather lyrics, scripture references, and any video or audio into one local folder. This prevents missing media during service. Make sure images are high resolution and that file names match slide notes so you can swap assets quickly during rehearsals. You now assemble slides. Paste lyrics into dedicated text boxes and apply consistent size, spacing, and entrance animations so congregation reading is predictable. You embed audio and set precise start and stop times, testing fade-ins. This avoids playback glitches. Once done, create scripture slides with clear book, chapter, verse labels, and high-contrast backgrounds so words are legible from the back. Make sure transitions are subtle to keep focus on worship rather than flashy motion. You finish by running a full rehearsal with musicians and operators, verifying slide timing and remote cueing so everyone knows the flow. Once done, export a backup PDF and copy the PPTX to a labeled USB. Keep one online cloud copy for emergencies. Make sure projector and sound levels are tested under real conditions. If media fails on the day, quickly switch to the linked file folder or activate the embedded fallback. This single troubleshooting move restores service continuity without panic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.